Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this get ready with me smoky eye tutorial. This is my second time trying smoky eye. The first time I tried out it was horrible. That I actually filmed that video, but I decided to delete it because I really didn't like how that smoky eye came out. So this is my second time trying it out. It's really nice. I really like how it came out, better than the first one that I did. And if you are interested in knowing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching and let's begin with this tutorial.
Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Yeah! Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, yeah. Like a light, yeah. Like a light.
So let's get started with this tutorial. I'm gonna start by applying my concealer as the eyeshadow primer. For today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution palette, and this one is the Innovation. There's no shimmer in this palette, they are full matte. To set this concealer, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. So for my transition color, I'm gonna be taking this color, and they don't come with a name, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. For my lid, I'm gonna take this color. And on top of that brown color, I'm gonna take the black color. I'm gonna go back with that transition color, and I'm just gonna blend the harsh line. And then I'm gonna take that transition color and apply it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go with that black color and apply it as well on my lower lash line. For my lashes, I'm gonna take the Salon Perfect, the 614 lashes, and I'll be right back. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna go with the Inkblot in number 77. For the mascara, I'm gonna go with the Better and Sex Mascara by Too Faced. So we are done with the eyes. Now let's move on with the face. So for my face, I'm gonna prime it with the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminous Face Primer. So I barely bought this, so let's see if it's dewy like you say it is. So it's not white, it has color in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. For foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, And I got another shade because Toffee was too light for me. I went one shade darker, so I got Cocoa. And I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation brush that is from Morphe, and it's the M144. No, not 144, the M444. With my Holy Grail concealer that is Toffee from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna hide my dark circle. To contour, I'm gonna be taking the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm gonna take this Japonesque brush. When I saw it at TJ Maxx, I definitely had to purchase it. It was for $3.99. How can I pass that? This shade right here to contour today. So I'm gonna contour my nose as well using the same color. For blush, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution blush in Hot and Spice. And I'm gonna go with this color that is the peachy color. I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna go with Novel. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be part of the Tati Beauty Squad. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So fucking happy you're on.